Going on, Saberland? This is Justin with Vanguard Armory, showcasing a very special commission and a hilt that I am very proud to have built. This is a Solos Hold Luke V2 saber, the best Luke V2 on the market. And I built this saber for my good friend Michael Laurie. He's been a best friend of mine for a long time, and he wanted to have one of these for celebration to get signed by Mark Hamill. So I told him that I would help him out and build this in time. So this has kind of been on my workbench for a while, and I believe we bought this Luke from Ethan. So thanks a lot, man, for getting this to us and allowing us to do this build. So anyways, the internals of this feature a Goth 3 Designs master chassis, as you can see here, and everything I did I painted up with model paint, so it's printed in black, and I did some brass and copper accents with a silver shield, real brass rod for additional accents and holding on the cover. It houses a Crystal Focus 8 soundboard, so it's got a very nice soundboard in it, and it runs a green amber Tri-Cree XPE2 LED for the main blade. And firing it up, I put 4 accent LEDs in the side of the saber, hooked up to the LED sequencer to get a really cool like back and forth chase pattern. So that was something new that I've done with this build that I didn't do in my other previous builds. I made those from 3mm accent LEDs that I ground down on my little mini bench grinder, and they worked awesome. They fit right in, and they look cool. I'm really happy with how those came out. Along the back we have our recharge and R.I.C.E port with SD card access. Now the chamber, for those of you who don't know about Goth 3 Designs chamber, let me focus this, there we go. It pulls out to reveal the crystal chamber. Now this one was printed in a matte gray steel with bronze, or I think actually that's both brass, so yeah, but with a brass printed upper and lower chamber parts, and inside it's got a real quartz crystal chamber. Now another thing I did differently this time around is I used a brass threaded rod to kind of help blend it into the chamber, and I kind of like the look of it. It kind of just it blends in, and it just blends in. So anyways, I'll slide this back in. We'll get the lower half on. Pause. Here we go. So we got
sound bank selection.
Now fulfill your destiny. Your overconfidence is your weakness.
If you only knew the power of the dark side. That's it. Vader.
I'll not leave you here. I've got to save you.
Audio player.
Hero.
Alright, there we go. That's what I want.
Hero.
Now one thing,
I'm a Jedi. Like my father before me.
Now, one thing I did, I got a boot package from Genesis Custom Sabers off of Saberfont, and it has a lot of amazing quotes from all the different movies. And seeing as this was a special ROTJ Luke V2 build for my buddy Michael, who also does a really cool Luke V2 cosplay, I went in and added most of the boot sounds with different quotes from the end fight scene, and I did my best to kind of put them in order, so it kind of plays out the story as you cycle through the fonts. But this one's running the Luke Hero font from Genesis Custom Sabers, which I personally feel is the best. I think it gets the hum and all the other awesome stuff down. And the sound fonts are just absolutely amazing. I went in and added quite a few that I bought for him for this build. So anyways, Michael, I really hope that you like this build. I'm very excited to give it to you, and I can't wait to get this signed with you. I'm going to be signing my personal Luke KR Hero Saber. So we got all the Luke Heroes, all the Luke ROTJ Sabers kind of in one place, so it's going to be really cool to see Mark Hamill and get them all signed. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking out this build with Vanguard Armory Sabers, and I will be back and resuming commissions in about a week. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me, and if I have time, I'll answer what I can while I'm gone. But anyways, guys, let's start the Star Wars adventure. May the Force be with you.